my name's James and I'm the sales director for CEDIA in Europe, Middle East and Africa. But we also have an American market and an American director. We have an office in California, in LA, and we're soon going to open up other showrooms in, for instance, in New York and Miami, where we'll be exhibiting this N1 naked unfolding television. So basically we're using microLED, which is the most superior display technology in the world, but we're also able to fold that and rotate it 180 degrees, which means that you can hide that away. And that can be useful for multiple reasons, right? So you could say, I want to focus my whole seating arrangement at the view because I paid for that. So now you can put the TV in front of the windows and then reveal it when you want to see it, and then rotate it perhaps to an outdoor terrace or an outdoor fire pit. And then you can have dual purpose. There's a very good practicality behind it as well. And obviously microLED, looking into that more, is probably not within the scope of this video, but yeah, it gives you like no reflectance, very, very bright image which you can dim down, a lot of color, true blacks. There's no liquid crystal in front of this TV, so the light is coming directly from the LED into your eye. And that's what makes microLED so superior. So this is the N1, and you can remember that as a naked model. We also do a larger 165-inch and a smaller 103-inch. And these are very useful even for master bedrooms. You have clients put into master bedroom. So you can wake with the horizon of the sun, and then if you want to watch TV in bed, you can pop up that TV in front of the window and hide it away again. Also, we provide TVs for the outdoors. So you can buy this model in an outdoor version, and you can also buy hatch-based versions, which completely conceal the TV, protect it more automatically, and they come in large as 201 inches. All of those same features, rotation, 180 degrees, integrated sound, microLED, and when we move to the outdoors, we start to do things in 4,000 nits, so a lot more brighter, which means you can watch it in full sunlight, and the quality of the image and the brightness is very clear all the time.